Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is Mr. Mudathir from Legacy School and this is ICT Year 4. Today we're going to start a new unit. We're going to go back to Scratch programming. Alright, this is found on the book page number 22. We're going to start with what is Scratch. Scratch is a programming language for young learners to create simple programs. We will create a simple math quiz for younger learners or younger students. So we use Scratch to create simple programs, right? Okay, how are we going to do that? With script. So let's learn how to make a script in Scratch. A Scratch script is made of blocks, just like these one right here. You make a script by fitting blocks together. So we put them just like a puzzle. We put the script. A script is inside a block, and a block we put the blocks together just like a puzzle right here. You always begin a script by choosing an event. So every single program in Scratch starts with an event. An event is something that happens. When the event happens, the script will be carried out. So when that event occur or happens, the rest of the script is going to be executed or carried out. In the next program, we will use events. The group of events is brown. So the script is inside blocks, and we have many groups. Each group has a certain color. So it's going to be fun creating programs because it's very colorful as well. The group of events is brown. So every event in Scratch is going to be in brown. And we will use sensing, which is light blue. So the group sensing is blue. Let's make a program that makes the sprite ask you about your name. So we're going to create a program. This program is going to ask you, what is your name? Before that, let me explain to you how you can download Scratch or use Scratch online. Okay, so to start, you need to go to scratch.mit.edu using a web browser like this one. If you have Firefox or Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer or Safari, if you're using Apple, just open the internet browser and go to scratch.mit.edu. You will open the official website for Scratch programming. If you want to work online, you just have to click on create, and you will have Scratch open for you, but you will need an internet connection every time you work. If you want to download Scratch on your computer and work offline, meaning without an internet connection, go to the bottom of the page, scroll down, and in support right here, you'll find download. Okay? If you downloaded Scratch, you need to install it, and then you will have it on your desktop just like this one. Let's double click and open Scratch. So now we have Scratch running in front of us on our computer. Let's start creating a program just as it's explained on the book on page number 22. We're going to do the example that is right here. So to start a program, we said every program starts with an event. You have plenty of events right here, but this time we're going to choose when green flag clicked. Okay, so all you have to do is grab the block of script and drop it on the script area right here. Okay, now you notice that we have so many groups over here, and every single group has a certain color, right? So let's go to sensing. Now I want to grab this block of script and put it right below the event right here. So this program is going to, when you click on the green flag, it's going to ask you your name. Very simple, right? Let's try clicking on the green flag. Now the sprite, which is this cat, is asking you what's your name. So simply just type your name right here, Mr. Mudathir, and tick. Very easy, right? That was a very simple program. Now let's learn something called input and output. What are input and output? Input means any signal that goes into the computer, for example, typing into the computer or clicking on the sprite. So when we typed our name, let's click on the green flag. When we typed our name here, that is called input, because I have typed an information that goes into the computer, right? Now what is output? What do you think output means? Output means anything that comes out of the computer. For example, a display on the screen or a sound. So let's carry on and create a program that has an output. Okay? We will try to create this program found on page number 23. The same, you will have an event here. It's going to ask you your name and weight, and then the computer is going to say the answer for 2 seconds. The computer is going to say the answer for 2 seconds. Let's carry on. Let's go back to the Scratch. Now, say or bring a message is found in the group looks. This is the group looks. So let's click on it. Say hello for 2 seconds. Let's grab this block into the script area. Now I don't want the computer to say hello. What do I want? I want it to say the answer which I wrote here. How can we do that? Simply let's click on the group sensing and grab the answer block from here and put it instead of hello. Okay, I'm going to put it instead of hello, and maybe show the answer for more than 2 seconds. How about 4 seconds? Now the program is ready. It's very simple. Let's click on the green flag and see what's going to happen. When green flag is clicked, it's going to ask me what is your name and weight, and then it's going to bring out the answer. That is your output. Every message that the computer shows is the output. Let's go ahead and run the program. Now it's asking me what's your name. I'm going to type my name, and then I'm going to click on the tick. Now it's saying Mr. Mudathir. Now this is my output. Very easy, isn't it? Well, that is it for this lesson. What I want from you is either you send me a note on Seesaw and type the following: what was the input in this program and what was the output? What was the input and what was the output? Either you type that on a note on your response on Seesaw, or just grab a blank paper and a pencil and write down the question: what is the input in the program and what is the output? Well, that is it for this lesson. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Till the next lesson, take good care. Bye.